How about setting your 2021 with a transformation programme? So in January, we're looking to run our 5 Ways to Wellbeing workshop. And I thought I'd pop on a video today to explain a bit about the aims of the workshop and the sort of things that we're going to cover. So one of the first things we want to look at is why wellbeing is important. And more importantly, why is it important to you? We're going to look at your confidence and how you feel about your confidence in relation to achieving your full potential, and the massive power of positivity, and how having that positive mindset can help you achieve your goals and be successful. Then we'll be looking in a bit more detail about the 5 Ways to Wellbeing. This is a model that was developed by the government, and it absolutely works. It completely transformed my life, so I know it can transform yours. So look in the comments below to find more details about our 5 Ways to Wellbeing workshop on the 7th of January at 2 o'clock, and we'll see you there.